Hazrat Ali Karamallahu Wajahahu said about ants as Unzuru ila namlati fi sigari jussatiha wa latafati hayatiha. Look towards the small body and subtlety and thread-like appearance of ants. La takadu tunalu bilahzil basar. It is so small that sometimes hardly seen through the eyes. Kaifa dabbat ala arziha wa subbat ala rizkiha. How it creeps, rushes, clings and seizes livelihood. Tunqulul habbata ila hujriha and brings grains to its cell. Tajma'u fi harriha li bardiha. It holds up in the period of summer for winter. وَمِن لَطَائِفِ صَنْعَتِهِ وَعَجَائِبِ خَلْقَاتِهِ مَا أَرَانَا مِنْ غَوَامِضِ الْحِكْمَةِ فِي هَذِهِ الْخَفَافِيشِ. Allah Almighty has shown His wisdom, sagacity and skill in the creation of birds. Allati yaqbizuha ziya'ul basitu likulli shay. Allah has made in His eyes such a shine that day's light causes to shrink its eyes, whereas day's light opens all the eyes, while darkness opens the eyes of the birds. وَجَائِلَةُ اللَّيْلِ سِرَاجًا تَسْتَدِلُّ بِهِ فِي إِلْتِمَاسِ أَرْزَاقِهَا. At night, the birds makes its eyes as a lamp and searches the livelihood. وَجَعَلَ لَهَا أَجْنِحَةً مِنْ لَحْمِهَا تَعْرُجُ بِهَا عِنْدَ الْحَاجَةِ إِلَى الطَّيْرَانِ. Allah Almighty made wings from its flesh, where the signs of wings are obvious and clear. Tatiru wa waladuha lasikun biha. When it flies, then their baby birds cling its body, and when it flies high, their baby birds also become high. Hazrat Ali said about locust as, observe minutely about locust. إِذْ خَلَقَ لَهَا عَيْنَيْنِ حَمْرَوَيْنِ. Allah Almighty has created its two red eyes. وَجَعَلَ لَهَا السَّمْعَ الْخَفِيَّ and made its very small ear. وَفَاتَحَ لَهَا الْفَمَ السَّوِيَّ وَجَعَلَ لَهَا الْحِسَّ الْقَوِيَّ. Allah Almighty has granted it beautiful mouth and declared its sense strong and sharp, so that it can feel the fragrance of crops from a long distance. وَنَا بَيْنَ بِهِمَا تَقْرِيز and granted it two teeth, so that it can cut the leaves. وَمِنْ جَلَيْنِ بِهِمَا تَقْبِزُ يَرْحَبُهَا الزُّرَّاءُ فِي زَرْعِهِمْ and granted it 2 feet like a sickle, from which it catches grass. Cultivators fear from it about their cultivation. وَخَلْقُهَا كُلُّهُ لَا يُكَوِّنُ إِصْبَعًا مُسْتَدِّقَّةً, whereas it isn't equal to a thin finger.